so I'm not gonna be as loud. What's going on, guys? Welcome back. I'm a bit tired today, so I'm not gonna be as loud, but we got another little thing going on in the car. I'm gonna show you guys it here real quick. I think everybody should have this. It's good. It can save you, it can honestly save you. Insurance scams, any of that. It's a dash cam, you know. Here it is. Apex cam, full HD, 1080p. It's got a wide angle lens, so it's definitely gonna capture everything in front of you. Comes with instructions right there. I already took it out of the box and everything. Suction cup. It's a, oh, shoot, my bad. Anyways, it's about that length, pretty good. You won't even notice it. We're putting it in the car. We're getting the wire set up. I have my dad setting it up right now. He's helping me out with this one. All right, so basically, we're setting up the wire right now. My dad got a head start already, so I have two ways I can plug it in. One can be in here, or I have the option of putting we're running it right here. This is the only place it's gonna show, so that's not that big of a deal. If we turn the camera around, boom, right beside the seatbelt, right into the lining, right there. And it was a struggle to get in right here beside the chair, but that's okay. We kept running it through. At this point, we're just running it under the dash now. We're gonna bring it all the way up, run it through, underneath, and then right up to the top. Camera's gonna go right here. Pretty simple. I'm gonna show you guys when it's done and I'll explain more then, but for now, that's what's going on. What's going on, guys? We back. We just finished putting the camera in. Not as tired anymore. Took a little bit of effort, woke me up. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on the outside first, and then we're gonna go on the inside and I'm gonna show you guys how we put the wire in, blah blah, connected it, got it set up and all that. All right, ready? Let's do this thing. So there it is, guys. That's where it is right there. We'll get a little bit closer for you guys. Boom. Super clean. Doesn't look bad at all. When you look at it from the front, because it's black, it blends in pretty well, so I'm not even mad. Like, you can actually barely see it unless you actually like look for it. So if we were to zoom in on that, ooh, lost a bit of focus. There it is. So that's what's going on with that. So I'm gonna go inside and show you guys what it looks like from the inside now with the wiring and how we set it up all the way across. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, guys, we started it from here, from the very back, plugged it in. Wire's not squished or anything, so when the red light's on, you can just see it right there. That's how you know you have power. Luckily, it only works when the car's actually on, so I don't need to unplug it when I turn the car off, so that's not constantly draining the battery. So that's a plus, so that makes me really happy. It does come across here, not that big of a deal. And then we instantly right away just started running it through. Came with a tool, so I'm gonna show you guys the tool, and we just ran it all the way through. And we grab the tool. There we go. That's the tool. You basically just come, shove it in, shove it in, shove it in. It's basically plug and play. You're gonna have to move the seat around for whatever car you're putting it in. Once you get it in there, it stays snug. Trust me, it hugs it really well. So we kept running it all the way through, all the way through. Once we did that, once we got around here to just under the dash, we were able to see it right here. It does need to come out just a bit, but that's okay because we actually got it into the glove compartment and ran it through the back. Once we got it there, if we open up the door, you guys can see that it just comes out right here again, just from underneath, and we ran it right through the weather strips. It's not gonna damage the car, it's not gonna do anything bad. Water's still gonna stay out, you don't need to worry about that. So we ran it all the way through. Once we got here, as you can see, there's a little lip right here. With the same tool that I just showed you guys, you're able to actually open it without unclipping it, without taking it off, any of that. You can get it open just enough where you can get the wire inside. Once we got the wire inside, we brought it all the way back. You can see, camera's not really gonna show it right there, but there it is, right there. It comes out just a little bit, that's okay. And then we ran it right through the top. Now what I like is, we were able to keep it in the top right here and run it all the way through. As you can see, we brought it up back out right here at the top. I ran it through a little gap there and brought it right back down to the camera and plugged it in. Great quality, instantly starts recording. And like I said, with the buttons on the side, you have a good amount of options as to what you can do with the camera. So if I read them off, camera's not exactly going to show the wording. They're pretty small, but first button is your mode, so you can change modes. Up, okay, power, down, menu. So I'm gonna go over later what all those buttons actually do, but the camera really does look nice and it gives you a lot of options. Okay guys, so I just turned off the car. I was gonna go back outside and finish talking, but when I turned off the car, I realized the camera actually stays on for another 10 seconds. So I like that. Once you turn off the car, camera's gonna stay on for an extra 10 seconds and keep recording. That's super cool. It doesn't turn off right away. It gives you that extra time. You know, just in case you turn off your car, something happens right then and there. You never know. So I thought that was really cool. That's a cool feature. So once I get back inside, I'm gonna tell you guys all the options you can do with the camera. All right, what's going on, guys? So looking at the menu, this is the box it comes in. Pretty cool box. You know, it lets you know everything on the side, stuff like that. 170 degrees wide angle, 4-inch HD display, video record, HD video recording, audio, all that stuff, loop recording. Comes with a G sensor, parking monitor. It's pretty cool. So I'm gonna go over just a couple things right here. Once we can focus, if you guys want to pause and read it yourself, go for it. But basically, just some of the quick things is like in the video menu, you can change the resolution, loop recording, wide dynamic range, playback video, stop video. Those are all the playback modes. But basically, the camera really does give you a whole lot of options. So you can change the date, audio, motion detection. Now it's pretty cool. So when it detects motion, it'll turn the camera on. Parking guard. If you're parked and the camera senses some sort of vibration while the car is in like stopped and not moving, it will start recording and let you know. But it does need to be connected to the ACC and GND in the safety box. So just a heads up there. Gravity sensor. It comes with a whole lot, guys. It's pretty cool. There it is. And yeah, I just wanted to give you guys one last look, one last little bit of detail for you guys. And I hope you guys... So yeah, there it is, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, subscribe, comment, ask a question, whatever. I'll be sure to put the actual product in the description. It won't be up as the day of the video going up, but it will be up in the next few days. So just hold out if you guys are actually interested in getting the camera. If you guys have any questions, like I said, just ask. Thank you guys for watching one last time. Have a good rest of your day. See you next time.